Hello guys, so this is our setup for the CNC DVD based plotter. So what we have here is the parts that we've salvaged from the DVDs. Then I've got the pen stuck in there. I haven't implemented the Z-axis mechanism yet. I've got this DC motor simulating that. It's actually going to be this DC motor, but it just shows that it is working. I've got our Arduino Nano. You can see it really blinks so fast.
So here we are after we've added the mechanism for the or the holder of the pen. So this is the front. You will find this in the front of a DVD tray. So it has everything in it, some gears and whatnot, and it's controlled all by a DC motor that you can see over here. We've attached some wires to it and wired it up to an H bridge. So I was thinking that it is going to be easy just running off the Arduino, but it didn't work, so I had to use an H bridge. So we have the H bridge connected to 5V off of the PC. So there we are, we have activated it, and here is our Arduino Nano that we are going to send command as right now. So this is the dual H bridge for the stepper motors, or this is, I guess, quad H bridge, I guess, because each one has dual H bridge. Anyways, so yeah, and that's our plotter over there with the pen in there. So we're gonna try to use this processing code, or this program of processing that we found on the internet. Now I had a problem with saving G code on Inkscape, so I'm just using some examples that I found on the internet. So we're gonna play this. So first you need to set the port right, and then you click G, and here are some of the examples that I found. We're gonna try the Batman because it's the easier one to draw. So we're gonna start that, and here you go. You can see. Let's try it, but yeah, it's kinda not really good with this pen. So here we are, guys. We've changed the pen, so we're gonna try with that again, and we're gonna hit G over here and choose the G code that we want, and there you go. Here it is, and this one is much better in that respect. So you can see the Batman logo is kind of
Making it's over there. It's gonna go once again. It's not very precise because it's not, there is some jittering and some vibration, and this mechanism is not very well stuck onto this axis or whatever.
Another G code file for something like I don't know, a fidget they include over here. So we're gonna try the fidget thing because it has to demonstrate the pin going up and down. So yeah, that's that. So here we are.
So this one is going to take a little bit longer. And the paper also is not very aligned, but it'll do fine. Also, you can see that the mechanism is not really fixed onto this axis, the y-axis or the axis. I don't know which one is. But anyway, so you can see that's creating the vibration of the movements of the two axes creates some jittering and vibration onto the z-axis, which then translated into some kind of not aligned or not continuous lines on the drawing. But it's alright. The drawing is clear, as you can see. It's clear that it is a fidget. But I'm gonna try another one as well. So that's that. So yeah, as you can see, the mechanism is working just fine. So there's ups and downs. and there it finishes and it goes home. So yeah, let's try yet another G code. We're gonna try the Superman thing. There is the Lamborghini and the helicopter, which are a bit long, so we're not going to try those. So we're gonna try the Superman. And here it goes. So, sorry, I'm just gonna hit X in order to cancel that because I haven't changed the position of the paper. So, I'm gonna move the paper slightly a little bit. Or maybe move the whole machine. So anyway, so yeah, we're gonna start again. Let me just go home first. I guess it is. Anyway, so we're gonna try the Superman thing. There you go. And there it goes.
So as you can see, we've made some pretty good drawings. These ones are pre-made, so I've downloaded them off the internet. I wanted to draw my channel's logo, but I couldn't since Inkscape has some issue with that. If you want to check how to get around that and solve that problem, I've made a video about it once I've discovered it. I've made a video, not discovered it, it's not a science thing. Anyways, so after I solved my problem, I shared it on a video which you can check. I guess I'm gonna put the link in the description. Another thing is I want to change that driver that you see over there, the L298, which drives the DC motor, with another chip like the ones I'm using with the steppers. It's an L293 chip. That's because this driver is usable with the RC car project that you can see over here just in a second, and there it is, that little black RC car over there. So I guess that's pretty much it.